Today we are going to study about the positive clamper circuit and negative clamper circuit. Now in positive clamper circuit, this is the sinusoid that we are applying. This is the capacitor that we have taken. I have taken a 100 microfarad capacitor we have taken, and this is the anti-parallel diode we have connected for the your positive clipping. How positive clipping is done means, or a clamper clamping is done means this signal is shifted to the voltage that we are applying. Suppose we are applying 5 sin omega t, means around 5 sin omega t, that will be shifted up. This is the new reference that will become. How it is going to become? When it is going to charge first in positive cycle plus and minus 5 volt, and when there is a negative cycle, then it cancel that value. So in negative cycle you are going to get this negative maximum 0, and in positive cycle positive maximum you are going to get around 2 V max. So likewise you are going to get the negative clamper circuit. Now we are going to see the circuit, and moreover this signal that we are applying, this can clamping can happen to any signal, because the signal is only not a sin omega t that is important also. The square wave, the triangular wave, any wave we want to pass, that will be clamped, that we are going to see in the circuit. If you want to see, this is the capacitor that we have connected of 100 microfarad. This is C, and this is the diode that we have connected, and here grounding has been done. This is the common ground. Here input has been applied. From here I am taking the output. Now if you see, there has been, if you see the output, the diode has been connected in this way. If you want the positive clamping, then you have to connect that diode in a anti-parallel way. Now this is the way how the connection is done. Now if you want to look at the diode output, now this is the output we are getting. Now let us zoom and study. If you want to see, this is the input that has been applied. This is a sinusoidal input, yellow one. It is of 5 volt that has been applied, and you are getting the shifted version of this one. If I don't see the output, if I am reviewing, you are not going to get the output. Now I am tapping and getting the output. Now see the maximum value, it must be around the 10, because 5 and 10, and there must be a minus 0.7. see around 8.80 you are getting, means a positive clamping has been done. Minimum value is still minus 800 millivolts. That is because of diode. Now let me change the signal from function generator. If I change the sign, see the yellow L that has been also shifted. Now I am going to take the triangular. The triangular has been also shifted. Now let me go to ramp. Ramp has been also shifted. Now this is your pulse. Pulse has been also shifted. That is by clamp. Now this is your sign. Now if you want to see the negative clamping, now let me zoom out this. Now if you want to see the negative clamping, now I am just reversing this diode connection. You will be seeing the negative clamping. Now I have reversed this diode connection. Now see, it has been clamped to minus 9 volt. Now if you zoom in, you will get to know the negative. Now if you want to see the maximum voltage that has been applied, 5 volt. Now you see the minimum voltage. The minimum has been 9 volt, but it must be around 10, and that because of diode, this is minus 9 volt, and maximum is 600 millivolt. That is because of diode. This is the output that we got of positive and negative. So this was all about the positive and negative clamping circuit.